Have you ever dreamed of soaring beyond the clouds as a flight instructor? What if that dream could become your reality? Picture yourself in the cockpit, guiding aspiring pilots and sharing the thrill of aviation. Every day is a new adventure, a chance to inspire others while reaching new heights yourself. Flight instruction is more than a career. It's a lifestyle brimming with opportunity and fulfillment. In today's video, we dive into the thrilling world of flight instruction, where passion meets profession. Becoming a flight instructor is not just about gaining wings. It involves navigating through rigorous certifications, accumulating substantial flight hours, and mastering the art of teaching. Let's delve into these challenges. Firstly, one must pass extensive written, oral, and flight exams to earn the necessary certifications. This includes the private pilot license, the instrument rating, and the commercial pilot license, each requiring a significant investment of time and effort. Additionally, you'll need to accumulate a minimum of 250 flight hours, with specific requirements for different types of flight time. This task can be both time-consuming and expensive. Lastly, the ability to teach is an invaluable skill for a flight instructor. It's not enough to be an excellent pilot. You must also possess the ability to effectively convey complex information to students of varying skill levels. These hurdles, while daunting, are surmountable with dedication and determination. Now, let's break down the steps, from your first flight hours to earning your certified flight instructor certificate. The journey to becoming a flight instructor is a thrilling ride, full of learning, experiences, and a fair share of challenges. The first step is obtaining your private pilot license. This is your passport to the skies, the first major milestone in your aviation journey. To achieve this, you will need to complete a minimum of 40 hours of flight time, which includes at least 20 hours of flight with an instructor and 10 hours of solo flight. Next, you will need to accumulate a substantial number of flight hours. This is where you truly learn to master the aircraft, navigating through different weather conditions and managing unforeseen situations. This phase is crucial because it's not just about flying, it's about gaining experience and building confidence. Once you have a good number of flight hours under your belt, it's time to aim for the Certified Flight Instructor Certificate. Here you will learn how to teach others to fly. You will have to master the art of communication, learn to understand different learning styles, and develop the ability to explain complex concepts in a simple and understandable way. One important thing to remember is that becoming a flight instructor is not a race. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and above all, a passion for flying. It's about more than just earning a certificate or logging flight hours. It's about the joy of sharing your love for aviation, the satisfaction of seeing your students succeed, and the thrill of being a part of someone else's journey to the skies. Remember, as a flight instructor, you're not just teaching students to fly. You're inspiring them to reach for their dreams, to push their limits, and to believe in their ability to achieve what may seem impossible. Each phase is crucial, preparing you to not only fly, but also to teach. The journey may be long and challenging, but the rewards are well worth it. So buckle up, set your sights on the horizon, and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. Hear from the heroes themselves, seasoned instructors who once were in your shoes, sharing inspiring stories that highlight the highs and pitfalls of their journeys. Our first instructor, a veteran of the skies, shares a tale of a student who struggled with landings. No matter how many times they practiced, the student couldn't nail a smooth touchdown. But instead of giving up, they persevered, and after countless practice runs, they finally landed the plane perfectly. Their instructor beamed with pride, a testament to the power of patience and persistence. Next, we have a story from an instructor who recalls a time when they themselves were a student. They remembered feeling overwhelmed by all the knobs and dials in the cockpit, but their instructor was patient and supportive, breaking down each function until they understood. Now they pass on this same knowledge and patience to their own students, remembering what it was like to be in their shoes. Then there's a tale of a student who was terrified of heights. Yes, you heard that right, a pilot in training, scared of heights. It was a challenge, no doubt, but the instructor and student worked together, taking small steps and gradually increasing altitude during their flight sessions. Eventually, the student overcame their fear, a victory that was as much the instructor's as it was the student's. Finally, we hear from an instructor who speaks of the day their student achieved their first solo flight. The instructor watched from the ground, their heart pounding as the plane took off. But when the student landed safely, the sense of accomplishment was immeasurable. It was a moment of pure exhilaration, a moment that encapsulated why they do what they do. These stories underscore the dedication and passion required to succeed in this profession. They show us that being a flight instructor isn't just a job, it's a calling. It's about guiding students through their fears, helping them conquer challenges and sharing in their triumphs. It's about shaping the next generation of pilots, one flight at a time. As we've seen, the path to becoming a flight instructor is marked by dedication and a passion for aviation. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. It's a journey that requires grit, patience, and an unwavering love for the skies. It's a journey paved with challenges that test your knowledge, skills, and resolve. But it's also a journey filled with rewarding experiences that are worth every bit of effort. Remember, you're not just learning to fly, you're learning to guide, to inspire, to shape the future of aviation. It's about more than just mastering the controls of an aircraft. It's about understanding the science of flight, the intricacies of navigation, and the art of communication. It's about becoming a mentor, a leader, a beacon of safety in the vast expanse of the sky. The road to becoming a flight instructor may be daunting, but it's also exhilarating. With each flight hour logged, each certification earned, each student taught, you inch closer to your dream, your passion, your destiny. So, are you ready to embrace the challenge? Are you ready to take the leap and start your journey towards becoming a flight instructor? The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. It's about more than flying. It's about inspiring others to reach for the skies. Ready to start your journey?